is run, that is immediate execution, no requirement check. And syntax is pretty simple. You have run keyword followed by job equals to job name. And this is a powerful tool and it must be used carefully. Unlike demand command, run actually bypass all input requirement checking and the job is submitted for execution immediately, regardless of whether its predecessor have run or its database are available. Additionally, when a job is run via run command, CA7 does not update the database upon completion, and the job triggering does not occur. The job run in isolation, no predecessor checked, no successor triggered. Now the question is when you should use run command. So you should use run command when you need to execute a job that is not defined in CA7 database. Perhaps it's an ad hoc job or once-off utility or an emergency batch process. You can also use run command when you have already verified all the prerequisites manually and need the job in execution right now without waiting for CA7 requirement evaluation. You can also use the runH command that does the same, but it will place the job in hold state first so that you can do a final check before execution begins.